Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to extract GPS location from just a picture and, in the second part, how to completely remove metadata from any media file using ExifTool. But first, what is ExifTool? It's a powerful command line tool that allows you to view, edit, and remove metadata from images, videos, and other media files. Metadata can contain important details, like timestamps, device information, and even GPS coordinates that reveal exactly where a photo was taken. In this video, we'll start by extracting GPS data from an image to see its exact location, and then I'll show you how to remove metadata for privacy and security reasons. This works on macOS, Linux, and Windows, so no matter what operating system you're using, you can follow along. Let's get started. Firstly, I will open my MacBook terminal and install ExifTool. Same thing, you can do it with your Kali Linux machine and Windows OS also, where ExifTool is pre-installed in Kali. I will enter command brew install ExifTool in Mac terminal. It will sometimes and get installed successfully. Once the ExifTool is installed in system, enter command to verify whether it's installed or not by using command exiftool ver. As here you can see ExifTool version is 13.10. It's successfully installed into our system. Now I need an image to extract metadata from it, including GPS location. I'm going to capture a picture using mine phone, then transfer it to, in mine Mac. If you wanted to read more about ExifTool, just visit Wikipedia to know more about it in depth. Without wasting any time, I will click a picture of this screen to show you how it's working. I will click a picture and transfer it to mine system to extract the metadata. I will rename the file name so it's easy to locate. I will name it as SSJPG, to locate it easily. Now I move to the directory where the image is stored, in my case it's desktop. Before harvest metadata, let's check it's an original picture that I have taken before to make you sure it's genuine, not fake one. Now enter the command exiftool followed by file name whom data you wanted to extract. Here you can see all data related to this picture are extracted successfully, including file size, date, time, resolution, camera model, and many more. Even it's also include GPS location and lens model of the camera. To get confirmation about the location of the picture taken, just copy and paste the coordinates of the GPS into Google Earth. To get the exact location from where the picture is taken. As you can see the exact location of the picture from where it was taken. Now in second part of the video we will learn how to remove all metadata. To know more about ExifTool, just enter command, man ExifTool, to get the manual regarding ExifTool, read it carefully. Now we move to the final part where we learn how to remove the metadata from any media file. Before going to erase the metadata, firstly make confirm that the file contain metadata before erasing it. As you can see, check the picture is same which one I have taken before. Now it's time to erase the metadata. If you really like the video, please subscribe the channel and comment below. Anyway, now enter the command as shown on screen, follow the screen instructions. As you can see, one file is updated, that's mean metadata is erased successfully. Let's confirm whether data is erased or not. As you can see, there is only some limited data are there, other data are removed successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to extract GPS location from an image and remove metadata using ExifTool. This is a great way to protect your privacy when sharing media files online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.